Social media is buzzing with rumors of a big OpenAI announcement. Meta's Llama 3 just scored big, sending everyone into a frenzy of speculation. The word on the street, OpenAI might be gearing up to drop something huge. Some are saying they're about to unleash something massive, like Sora or maybe even the long-awaited GPT-5. Get ready, because the excitement is real. If it is the latter and we get a major new AI model, it will be a significant moment in artificial intelligence, as Altman has previously declared it will be significantly better than its predecessor and will take people by surprise. What do we know about GPT-5? We know very little about GPT-5 as OpenAI has remained largely tight-lipped on the performance and functionality of its next-generation model.
I think it kind of sucks.
Typical human also. Gotten used to an awesome thing.
No, I think it is an amazing thing.
We know it will be materially better, as Altman made that declaration more than once during interviews. It is very likely going to be multimodal, meaning it can take input from more than just text, but to what extent is unclear. GPT-5 will be no different. It has been in training since late last year and will either have significantly more than the 1.5 trillion parameters in GPT-4 or a similar number but stronger underlying architecture, allowing for a major performance improvement without increasing the overall model size. Google's Gemini 1.5 models can understand text, image, video, speech, code, spatial information, and even music. GPT-5 is likely to have similar capabilities. What will GPT-5 be able to do? One of the biggest changes we might see with GPT-5 over previous versions is a shift in focus from chatbot to agent. This would allow the AI model to assign tasks to submodels or connect to different services and perform real-world actions on its own. How different will GPT-5 be? One thing we might see with GPT-5, particularly in ChatGPT, is OpenAI following Google with Gemini and giving it internet access by default. This would remove the problem of data cutoff, where it only has knowledge as up to date as its training ending date. Expanded multimodality will also likely mean interacting with GPT-5 by voice, video, or speech becomes default rather than an extra option. This would make it easier for OpenAI to turn ChatGPT into a smart assistant like Siri or Google Gemini. Bring out the robots. One of the biggest trends in generative AI this past year has been in providing a brain for humanoid robots, allowing them to perform tasks on their own without a developer having to program every action and command before the robot can carry it out. OpenAI has invested heavily in robotics startup Figure, using GPT-4 to power the Figure 01, and GPT-5 will likely have some spatial awareness data as part of its training to make this even more reliable and capable, understanding how humans interact with the world. What this all means? Essentially, we are starting to get to a point, as Meta's chief AI scientist Jan LeCun predicts, where our entire digital lives go through an AI filter. Agents and multimodality in GPT-5 mean these AI models can perform tasks on our behalf, and robots put AI in the real world. GPT 3.5 was a significant step up from the base GPT-3 model and kickstarted ChatGPT. Get ready to witness history unfold. But don't just take my word for it. Stay in the loop by hitting that like button and subscribing for all the latest updates.